Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to turn on outdoor mode on your Android device to boost screen visibility when you're out in the sun. So let's dive right in. First, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification set. You might need to swipe down twice to see all the quick settings. Now, look for the outdoor mode, or sometimes called visibility enhancements. If you don't see it right away, you might need to swipe left or click on the edit button, usually represented by a pencil icon, to find more options. After finding the outdoor mode icon, simply tap on it to enable. This mode increases the brightness and contrast of your display, making it easier to read under bright sunlight. If your phone doesn't have a dedicated outdoor mode, no worries. You can manually increase your brightness by dragging the brightness slider to the maximum. And some phones offer an adaptive brightness feature which can automatically adjust based on your current lighting conditions. That's all for today's tutorial. Quick and easy, right? Make sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.